Shop vacs are a must-have tool for any woodworker. The pros at Circle Saw gave us a demo to figure out which one is right for your shop.
We have 9 different models in the Festool line. And you say to yourself, well, which one do I need? It's really going to come down to capacity. Here's 2 of the most popular units. This is called a CT Midi. Capacity is roughly 4.5 gallons. The one beside it is a CT 36, roughly a 10-gallon capacity. Where it comes down to is, what are you doing? What is your application? In an environment where you're doing cabinetry, wood prep, surface prep with paint, a CT Midi is perfect. When you get into drywall, sheetrock, concrete removal, that's when you need to look at the larger capacity, especially popcorn removal from ceilings, because this is going to give you that larger capacity so you're not constantly emptying it. And to be OSHA compliant, this feature right here, that's auto clean. So that's going to automatically clean your filters as you're doing your project. Again, for silica, so think occupied dwellings, hospitals. That's going to be your benefit there.
New shop vacs offer some features to make cleanup easier than ever.
All of our stuff is stored on board, so you don't have a hose to fumble with. You're not carrying it behind you. It packs inside, it locks down, roll right into the job site. Same thing with the larger one. Coil it in here, simply take your tools or your accessories, slide it right on top, lock it in place, and you're good to go for your job. All your accessories and tools will always come in a sustainer, and that is the difference between the vacuums. And again, it really just comes down to capacity and what your application is going to be.
Don't go online and buy the wrong tool for the job. Save yourself the trouble. Visit the experts at Circle Saw, my certified Home Show Pro of tools. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.